What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, another sneaker discussion. Look, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you stay tapped in with the channel. Like I said, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Those are the two most important things you could do to help me be successful. Let's talk about some sneakers though. So today was a crazy day. We had the patent leather Jordan 1 Bred high release. What can you say? We knew it was gonna be crazy. It took 6 minutes for me to even log in. I had two different accounts. One I do with face recognition, one I do with my fingerprint. Face recognition worked faster than the fingerprint, but both of them equally took maybe about 6 to 7 minutes just for me to log in. And then once I logged in, the loading button, the circle, it just kept spinning and it kept spinning and it kept spinning. And bruh, I knew from that moment on, it was a wrap. Anybody that does this weekly, or buy sneakers, or YouTubers, or whoever, they know when you don't get directly through, you got a 90% chance, bro, that it's a wrap. Whatever. I went for it. I also went for all the Flex apps. And big L's, man. Big L's. I've had a good week in sneakers, though. Or let's say this. I had a good month in sneakers. We were able to get the cool grays. We were able to get our hands on the Bordeauxs. And I actually have a couple pairs of shoes that I haven't shown on the sneaker channel that I did want to show you guys. So, without any further ado, I got my hands on a pair of Amami Nier 1s. Unfortunately, not in my size, right? I got these for the little one. I got a 4-year-old daughter, and I was able to get. So basically, I was on the Amami Nier website, and I went for my size, of course, first. Didn't hit, but once you go for your size, it basically keeps you queued in, so you can go back in and go get another size if the size is available. And I was able to get my hands on a size 10C. See if you can see that clear. 10C. Now, I don't know what the comparison is between toddler sizes and adult sizes, but this shoe is pretty dope. If these shoes are, if this is anything like the men's size, this is a dope shoe. The texture of it is kind of rough. It's like it's not a smooth suede. I don't even know, I don't know what you would call this material. I do like the shoe though. I like the colorway of it. It's pretty plain, honestly. Straightforward shoe. Very straightforward shoe. You know what I'm saying? So I was able to pick these up for the youngin. I wasn't able to get them for me, but I am happy to be able to see a pair in hand. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I don't know. This definitely, to me, is not sneaker of the year. Not Jordan 1 of the year. Not Jordan of the year. Actually, to be quite honest, I like the Bordeauxs better than I like these. But that's just me. This is a clean shoe though. I was happy. My daughter was happy. She don't know, but you know, when she gets older, she'll be like, you know, my dad kept me dipped. You know what I mean? So, Amami Nier 1s, I was able to pick up something. And it seems like when it comes to these collabs, it's a lot easier to hit on the actual websites than it is to actually hit on sneakers or any of the foot sites. So just keep that in mind when you're going for Amami Niers or Unions or social status or anything like that. for me, it's been easier to hit on the actual websites versus hitting on sneakers. So that's that. Let me open up the box for you. It's pretty basic. It's a kid's shoe. You got the mom and year paper, right? Got that sticker in the back. Little number stamp came on the inside of the box. And I got this shoe from actually from a mom and year, not from Nike. It comes with a sticker. So I just kind of wanted to let you guys see that I picked these up. What else? And let's open up this other box real quick. You guys, make sure you're stepping up to the channel. We're so close. We're so close to 200 subscribers. And that was like my goal. I wanted to hit 200 by the end of the year. And I think we're like 8 people away. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Get me to 200. I'm so close. I'm so close. All right, the next shoe. They're already out of the box, but I'll show you the box just, for those type of purposes. Got that Yeezy 350 Boost Beluga. Now, like I said, I've already looked at all this stuff. This shoe came, the shoes come individually wrapped in paper and then paper over the top. This is only my second Yeezy 350. I have gone for a lot of pairs of Yeezys. I have one pair of 350s. Now I have 2. And I also have a Yeezy 500, the blue colorway. Right? 500? 550? I don't know. I think it's a 500. I don't have it down here. It's upstairs. Regardless, this is my second Yeezy. It's the Beluga Reflective. Super duper happy to get my hands on these. This shoe is definitely staying in the collection for a while. Will I put them on feet? Not right now, but I have a feeling that this is gonna be one of them shoes that I wear a lot. I love Yeezys. They're super comfortable. It said to size up a half a size. I honestly just went with my regular size. I don't know if they're gonna fit too tight or not, but I like my shoes, especially shoes like this. I like them to be snug. So I went with a 10. I know they said go up a half a size, but I just didn't want it to feel goofy on my feet. You know what I mean? But I'm happy. I definitely got my hands on a pair of Belugas. Confirmed app. I got these on the Confirmed app. So, did I go for this on app sites too? I think I did go for this on a couple different, like Foot Locker and maybe Eastbay. I don't remember, but I went for it on a couple sites and was definitely happy that I hit on Confirmed. It's my second W on Confirmed. So, we're expanding out here, ladies and gentlemen. We're expanding. You know what I'm saying? We got Illinois in the background. But yes, sir. So I just wanted to show you guys, man. I don't have too much more to say, man. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to the channel, once again, please hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 200 subscribers, but really, we really want to get to 1,000 subscribers. 200 is the next goal. So help me get there. I think I'm at 192. So I need 80 you people that are watching this video right now. Make sure you go bang that subscribe button. It's your boy Burt Collins. We talked about the patent leather ones. It was a debacle. I showed you guys the mom and years. Here's the Beluga 350s. It's your boy Burt Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.